This is a king oyster mushroom. I actually grow these as a hobby from time to time. These little things can grow into some of the biggest, densest mushrooms you've ever seen. This is definitely one of my favorite mushrooms. They have a nice meaty texture and much less water content than a portobello. That makes it perfect for this recipe. It's a perfect chicken replacement. They're not easy to find in the West, but you should be able to find them in your local Asian supermarket, as they are widely used in Asian cuisines. Now let's dive in and see how you can make your own mushroom nuggets at home. Start with your king oyster mushroom, and I'm going to slice it the long way. Now I'm going to chop them horizontally. I'm going to cut up about 3 of these. That should be enough for a nice snack. Dr. Sebi, world-renowned healer, has natural medicine for any condition at drsebis.com. Save 5% on all applicable orders at drsebis.com using coupon code ADONAI. Then you're going to make your batter. So we got spelt flour. This is our alkaline ancient grain flour. It's in the same family as wheat without all the hybridization. We're going to add some sea salt. And I'm going to add some cayenne pepper.
And cayenne pepper. That should be dry.
Going to pour in some water and make a batter.
Alright, batter's ready.
Now we heat up a pan or a skillet with some oil. Now I'm going to one by one dunk these chunks into the batter. I use another mushroom chunk to wipe off the excess batter and put it into the pan. In about a minute or two, they're ready to flip. On a difficulty level, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this recipe a 5. Fairly easy. Probably the hardest part is finding these mushrooms, unless you live in China or Korea or something. It's a hot recipe, you gotta deal with the splashing oil. Other than that, pretty simple.
Alright, there you go.
And they're ready.
On the hot oil. It's ready to go.
Fried oyster mushroom nuggets. One of them has a beauty mark on it, but that's okay.